Welcome to Human Resources Incorporated, an HR business partner providing support for payroll, benefits, workers' compensation, and more. Today, we will be reviewing new hire onboarding using the Human Resources electronic onboarding system. Following registration on the HRi employee portal, please log in to begin processing all new hire forms and acknowledgments. Please note that the HRi employee portal is available in both English and Spanish. Let's begin. Once you have logged into your portal, you should be immediately prompted to begin processing your onboarding forms. The welcome notice should provide you with a basic overview of what types of forms you'll be completing and some basic instructions. As you move through completing your forms, we ask that you please fill each area out in its entirety, ensuring that you use your legal name. If something does not match what has been supplied by your employer for your employment, you will not be able to complete your forms, so please contact your client service specialist to update any information that may be necessary. When completing your tax elections, please note that you have the ability to choose to continue your elections in either English or Spanish, with detailed form instructions available here. As you complete your federal or state tax forms, you'll be given an opportunity to review the form, acknowledge its accuracy, and submit before moving forward. Once all forms and acknowledgements have been completed, please review your onboarding summary for accuracy, click Continue, and acknowledge that all forms are completed and correct to the best of your knowledge before submitting them for processing. If your employer offers benefits and you are in a benefit eligible status, you will be prompted to complete your employee benefit elections online at this time. I look forward to working with you, and should you have any questions, please contact your client service specialist at any time. Thank you.